Denver is getting energized with Xcel, and police discipline is changing. Here's what your Denver City Council members were talking about this week and what it means for you. Denver is powering up their partnership with Xcel Energy. The franchise agreement between the two came back to the Budget and Policy Committee after the council voted down the original proposal last year. It sets up responsibilities and expectations in providing energy throughout the city, including to your residents.
We have a document that we go to and we tell our operations teams, look, we've agreed to this timeline. We've established a way in which we communicate to our customers and work with our city. And that holds our company accountable to operating and delivering service in the city of Denver.
The agreement is renegotiated every 20 years. If passed by council, your voice can be a part of the process by voting on it this November. There were concerns about a lack of public outreach and about how Xcel will interact with the community. Since then, Xcel has held 31 outreach events since February. What they heard in those community meetings was the need for more communication about outages, repairs, and maintenance. No one likes to be left in the dark about their power outage. Xcel is also committing to substation beautification, and there will be a route to connect Denver residents with help paying their energy bills and other programs. Denver collects about $30 million in franchise fees each year from Xcel. Check the links below for previous coverage and more details. Police officers will be seeing new discipline methods. Members of the police department talked about the new education-based development in the Health and Safety Committee on Wednesday. Through training, mentorship, and coaching, the program gives officers a chance to make up for lower-level mistakes, such as incorrect equipment handling or evidence reporting or record-writing errors. The police department has a large number of lower-level cases, with disciplinary timelines being from 130 to 220 days. This new program would reduce those times as well as repeat offenses. This program is not a replacement for internal affairs or independent monitor investigations. Larger violations like improper use of force, bias incidents, and repeated misconduct will still be handled within the existing rules.
Regular meetings with not just him, but the independent monitor, where Chief and his team will present about what cases went, how successful it was, what they're seeing. So those discussions will be had. That can be an opportunity for what's working, what's not.
Let us know what you think about how this will affect the police department. The city is working to keep clean water flowing for you and for the environment. The Department of Health spoke to the South Platte River Committee about their water quality programs. They've been looking at rivers and lakes that see a lot of activity, like the South Platte and Cherry Creek, to understand how long-term water quality trends and how to treat it. Stormwater runoff gets polluted easily, running through yards and driveways with pet waste, trash, fertilizer, oil, and other chemicals, and this could end up in rivers and lakes. The Department of Public Health and Environment is working with the Department of Transportation for solutions, like pipe treatment to prevent E. coli, green infrastructure, and enhanced street sweeping that would help keep our waterways healthy.
These efforts generally yielded really positive results. If you were to go back and look at water quality 15, 20 years ago, you'd see that in many cases it's vastly improved, but we still have a lot of work to do. All of these pollutants are commonly found in urban streams, and they're present in Denver streams at levels that are similar to what most other cities see. So we're no worse or better than most cities in the country.
You can help by picking up your trash and pet waste. Look for outreach events to where you can get more info. Head over to denvergov.org/publichealth to find where they'll be next. Thanks for joining us on The Gavel. Check back every Friday for more information about what's happening in Denver. If you want to get engaged in what's happening, City Council meets every Monday at 3:30 and committees meet Tuesday and Wednesday. Sign up for the newsletter and stay up to date. Council and committees meet at the City and County Building. You can also watch live on Zoom or Denver TV. Log on to denvertv.com or find the app in your app store. And don't forget to follow us on our socials for the latest on what's happening in your city.